Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Fura's Kitchen. Today we're going to cook chapati, Kenyan's favorite. So we are going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and like a half a tablespoon of salt. You can put your salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of blue band margarine, vegetable oil, anything that you love to use. Please make sure you mix well. And then I added some warm water. Just add bit by bit till you get the desired consistency. Yes. And then I added a little bit of oil, just to help the flour not to be too sticky. And for soft chapatis, guys, just make sure that your dough is soft. Don't make a hard dough and then expect to have soft chapatis. Yes, soft dough and soft chapatis. And then I let it rest for like about 15 minutes. Yeah, this helps the flour to be more softer. Yes guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. Yeah, so now after 15 minutes we're going to make the, what do we call them? In Kiswahili we call them tabaki. We roll the dough so that we can make chapatis. Yeah, and so I'll put a little bit of oil, and then I'll cut them in I'll cut this circle into like 4 pieces and then roll. You'll see in the video. And guys, if you would want to know if your dough is soft enough, you should be able to stretch it the way I'm stretching it. Yeah, that way you'll know that your dough is soft enough. This is another method that you can make your tabaki. I don't know, I find this method tiresome, because you have to roll one by one. You have to make balls, so many balls. Yes, to roll. So I prefer the first method that I used than to this. Okay, so from 3 cups of flour, I managed to get like 9 chapatis. So I'll start to fry them. So if you want to roll your chapatis for frying, please make sure you don't roll so much at the center, because this will lead to your chapatis to be so hard at the center. Just make sure you avoid avoid the center if you can. I know for the first time it's hard, but you just keep on practicing and you'll get it. Make sure you concentrate on the sides, but don't leave the center too much. Just don't roll the center too much, if you get what I mean. So when you're placing your chapati on the pan, make sure the pan is hot enough. Yes. And please don't use so much heat. Like here I'm using charcoal jiko. I just put a little bit of charcoal. If you find your chapatis burning, just close the door, the jiko's door. Yes, to reduce the heat. Yeah, chapatis don't like too much heat or less heat. If you put too much heat, they'll burn. If you put less heat, they become hard. So I fold chapatis the way you see me folding them, just to make sure that the sides are cooked. They are well cooked. You don't want to remove your chapatis from the pan when the sides are white or not cooked. So I do this to make sure that the sides are cooked. Okay, so you'll repeat the same thing until all your chapatis are done. Yes, you'll just roll and fry. Please don't use too much oil, just enough oil, or they will soak oil. And don't feel the pressure of cooking your chapatis like 3 at a time. You can just, if you're starting out, just cook 1 at a time until you're comfortable enough to do so many at a time. Yes, don't feel pressure. Just cook one at a time if you're not used to cooking so many at a time. And then of course we have the color spoon of chapatis. Yeah, I always get this small chapati for the last, reserve for last. Yeah. And we are done, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys.